friends, so a little midweek Walgreens moneymaker. Believe it or not, this was free plus a $1.85 moneymaker. Very easy. A lot of stuff I didn't get on one store card, so I just went and grabbed a couple little odds and ends, and it was beautiful. And then over here, a couple Walmart freebies we're going to talk about, and then something I'm going to talk about at Kohls that I just discovered recently, and then a little freebie over at Bath & Body Works. The weather report for you guys, it is another baking day. It's like 100 degrees with the humidex here. It is a hot one, so I'm really excited for it to cool down a little bit. My goodness gracious, every day it's a hot one. Okay, so we're gonna talk about what I did here, and hopefully you can mimic this deal if you wish. So the first item that I grabbed was the Scott's paper towel that is $5. We have cats, so we're always in need of paper towel. And this is the first item that I got the cashier to scan as well, because I wanted to use one $5 register reward from the Crest deal earlier in the week, and I needed something in the line to pick up this. So every item that you scan on a Walgreens receipt provides a line, and for every line that you have, you can use a coupon. So I needed something to grab that $5 register reward, so this was perfect to grab that item. Hopefully you can follow what I'm saying. So I got the cashier to scan my card, then scan that. And then these two guys, they are $9.75 for the two, and we have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that showed up. These are $4 a pop, the Colgates, and we have a $2 for the brush and a $2 for the paste. And then the Elvis shampoo, this is $4 each. So for two of them, it's $8. And we have a 2 off of 2 IVC plus a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Okay, so for this entire basket of beautiful merchandise, it's $30.75. Subtracting the $1.25 IVC for the Scott and the 2 off of 2 for this, the new total is $27.50. Now I have the booster of spend 25, get back 5 loaded, so that's perfect. Now I presented my one $5 register reward for Mr. Scott that came off beautifully. And then the following digitals came off for me. That include the 2 off of 2 for the Dove, the $2 for this, the $2 for this, and then the 4 off of 2 for this. So after all of that magic, I used my debit card and charged $12.50 before the tax. And then I got back $19.35 in Walgreens cash. Wow. I got back four for buying 2 Doves. I got 4 for buying the 2 Colgates. And then as I had a $25 basket, I got $5 in Walgreens cash. Plus, earlier in the month, I had a special booster on this store card, which was do 6 trips where I'm spending at least $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Well, today, I earned my $5 in Walgreens cash. So it made this haul free plus a $1.85 moneymaker. And that's also factoring in the $5 register reward. So what a superb deal. I know that a lot of accounts had the 2 off of 2 and a 3 off of 2 for the Dove. So if you want to just kind of mirror this deal, I would absolutely do it. Because this is a spend offer and I didn't have a lot of high value coupons, I used my debit card to pay this down. I didn't want any funny business at checkout, and it worked out beautifully for myself. Over at Walmart, this is one deal that I think you should be doing, and for whatever reason, I'm just obsessed with this L'Oreal Elvive. Back in the day, we used to call this Elvis here on this channel because it's an awful name for a shampoo, Elvive. So at Walmart, these guys are $3.97. Now with the Shopkick app, they're giving back $1,000 for each, which is $4. So it basically makes it completely for free. And there is a 4 off of 2 on coupons.com that you can utilize with this deal. So grabbing 2 of them, a shampoo and conditioner, please make sure you're grabbing 1 of each. That is $7.94. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 from coupons.com, you're paying $3.94 out of pocket. And then you're gonna make a submission for 2,000 points to Shopkick, which is $8. Every 250 points is $1. That's how I'm getting it, guys. So it makes this free plus a $4.06 money maker. I will let you know this deal has been going on for a couple of days, and a couple smart Alecs at my store, well, they decided to clear this beautiful shampoo off of the shampoo aisle. However, if you go to the end caps, all these major manufacturers, Garnier, Dove, whatever, they all have shampoo on the sides, which is the regular aisle at the end. That is called an end cap, and they had an end cap display of the Dream Length, so I was able to get the shampoo there. So yeah, people are really moving on this deal because a $4 moneymaker is unheard of. I'm not sure if it's going to reset, but at the very least, print out that coupon from coupons.com because this is a spectacular deal, and this is at Walmart only, just to note that. If you could possibly find these little Biore strips, they are on clearance over at Walmart, and they are on clearance for $1. I didn't have any coupons or anything like that, but the coupons.com app, guys, has a $1 rebate, essentially making it totally for free. So look high and low for these. I'll give you the UPC if you want to look for this on BrickSeek or look for it in your store. But just a really great, easy deal over at Walmart. Hey guys, so over at Kohls, my husband is a very big Amazon shopper. Myself, I used to be back in the day, but not so much anymore. I don't know, I like to look at what I'm buying. I'm just one of those old-fashioned shoppers. So anyhow, he made a return with his Amazon, and then at the bottom of his return slip, he got a $5 credit to anything like Kohls Cash at Kohls. So I went on to Kohls.com and I found this, it's called the big one. It's just basically a towel. It was $10 and it was on sale for $5. I used that Kohls cash and I got this big towel for free. So if you have a lot of Amazon packages or things that you want to return, this might be a way to do it. And maybe if you have a bunch of returns, do them all separately. You might get enough to get a couple new towels for your household. So I'm loving that. I want to talk about is over at Bath and Body Works. I had a mailer that is expiring, I think, on Sunday, and I got this little wallflower. It was either for a plug or a wallflower, and I got this little guy, nice little fall scent. And I always like it when I get these. You basically have to get on their mailing list. You can do it at the store, and then they start sending you coupons for free items or percentage off. So delighted about this. So that is it. At the very least, I would do this one deal at Walmart if you love free money making shampoo. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.